Okay, so I finally got the Galaxy Buds Pro. They're finally here. They were delayed. I couldn't get them right away. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Cut this tape open. So these Galaxy Buds Pro have active noise cancellation. Samsung claims you can get 5 to 18 hours of playtime. So that's a really big drastic change in battery life. 5 hours to 18 hours. But that's what Samsung is claiming you can get. Okay, so we see the earbuds are right there. On the top we have some paperwork, and inside this top portion we have, yes, we have paperwork, quick start guide, and that's it. Nothing else inside that. There's also on the back, I guess, instructions on how to put them inside your ear, just in case you didn't know that. And here are the earbuds. You know, the Galaxy Buds Live, they are the first ones to have this earbuds case, this new earbuds case, and I really like it. Okay, so here's the case itself. So this is the Phantom Black version of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Look, you can see that next to the Phantom Black Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra that I got. You can see the Phantom Black next to the Phantom Black Galaxy S21 Ultra. Take off these fingerprints. There you go. Very nice color, very nice case. I really like this case. It's a very compact case. You can see the earbuds inside. There's a little LED light on the front, so you can see, I guess, if it's charging or how much battery life it has. All right, let's see what else comes inside the box. Here we have the charging cable. It is a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. And in an even smaller box, you have, I'm guessing these are the extra ear tips. Yes, they are. So you have different size ear tips. If you prefer a more comfortable feel, a different size, your ears maybe need a smaller or bigger ear tip, you have that option, which is pretty much normal for all earbuds. They all include different ear tip sizes, so you can change that out if you want to. Okay, so let's put this away. We're gonna see how easy it is to pair this with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, because this is a Samsung phone. These are Galaxy Buds, so they should be relatively easy to pair. We'll go ahead and open up the case, and I was expecting something to pop up right away and tell me to pair them. There we go. A new device has been detected. We'll connect. And yeah, there you go. They're already connected. That was quick. All right, so there's a left and a right. Okay, we'll go ahead and put them on. They do feel really comfortable. I will give them that. So you are going to need the Galaxy Wearable app, which is already pre-installed onto this phone. So let's just let's see what we can do. Let's see if there's any settings we can change. There's the Galaxy Buds Pro. We'll allow that. Sure, why not? Okay, allow. Okay, we'll agree to that. Allow. Wow, there's a lot of permissions you need to allow before you even get started. Okay, so right now active noise cancellation is on. You can turn them off, and you also have ambient sound, and you can even, wow, it does work. Ambient sound does work. So it doesn't sound very natural, in my opinion. As you put it louder, it sounds worse. It sounds more unnatural than it did when it was lower. But you can turn that off, and you can still kind of hear yourself. You can still hear, I mean, we don't have anything playing right now, but if we touch and hold on our left ear, we can do volume down, and our right ear volume up. Okay, so that's a good setting to have. Equalizer, we can change that. We'll just keep it at normal for now, because normal is a good starting point. Find my earbuds. Is there a software update? There is a software update already. While that's installing, let's take a look at the other settings. Under experimental features, there's a gaming mode, which minimizes audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sound. That's what they say. I'm guessing it's just to minimize the latency, so your earbuds can project the sound from the game as quickly as possible, and of course that will help with gaming. So with active noise cancellation, you have the option to put it at high or at low, and you can even do voice detect, which noise controls and sound settings go back to previous state when your voice isn't detected. That's a pretty cool feature, because so what it will do is when the earbuds detect that somebody's talking to you, it will remove active noise cancellation so you can hear what that person is telling you, and then after 10 seconds it'll go back to active noise cancellation. So it's at ambient sound right now. I'll put it on now. When I talk, it goes right to ambient sound, so I can listen to what the whoever, if somebody's talking to me, I can listen to what they're saying. And then after 10 seconds, when there isn't a voice detected, let's see if it goes back to active noise cancellation. There you go. That's actually a pretty cool feature. If somebody tries talking to you and you can still listen to them, you might want to turn that off in certain situations. Like if you're on the bus or a subway, for example, and there's people talking, you probably want to have active noise cancellation on at all times, so you'll remove the voice detect. All right, so let's listen to some music and see how it sounds. So I actually have a air conditioning right here, so I'm going to turn it on. See how it does with active noise cancellation. Has good sound. It gets really loud. So yeah, the active noise cancellation, it works good. I could still hear a little bit of the air. I mean, it's not going to drown out completely the air conditioning. It gets really loud. These earbuds get really, really loud. So you can put up your music pretty loud and drown out pretty much anything. It sounds really good so far. Maybe try the bass boost, because the bass was a little bit lacking so far in the normal setting at least. So we'll try bass boost. Maybe that will make a change. But so far they sound really good. They feel really comfortable in my ear. Like I could barely feel that they're there. I'm gonna have to get used to using the touch controls, because I've accidentally touched it a few times and it skipped songs, paused it, played it. So I'll probably have to get used to that. I'm gonna continue to play around with it a little bit more. If you don't want to miss my full review of the Galaxy Buds Pro, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.